Hello everyone, if your Mobile Legends game is not opening on Android, don't worry, I will show you how to fix it. First, restart your phone. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh system processes that might be preventing the game from opening. Next, clear the game cache. Go to Settings, then Apps or App Management or Manage Apps depending on the phone model. Find Mobile Legends from the list, tap Storage and then clear cache. Restart the game and check if it opens. If not, try clearing data. But note that this will reset your in-game settings. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, reset your router or switch to mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. You can also try enabling airplane mode for a few seconds and then turning it back off. Check if the game is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends and tap Update if a new version is available. Also check for any pending system updates by going to Settings and Software Update. If the game still won't open, free up storage space. Go to Settings, find Storage and delete unnecessary files, apps or old videos to make room for the game. Ensure Mobile Legends has unnecessary permissions. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Manage Apps. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap Permissions and enable storage, location, and network access if they're disabled. If the issue persists, reinstall the game, uninstall Mobile Legends, restart your phone, and download the latest version from the Google Play Store. And that's it. Your Mobile Legends should now open without any issues. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. See you in the next video.